Hey guys, good day. How are you doing today? Giving honor to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ because he's so worthy to be acknowledged and praised on this day and any other day. Wouldn't you guys agree? Today, guys, I'm giving you a sneak peek into something that I'm trying to manifest here. Hint, cookbook. Okay, anyway, guys, I don't like burning my bridges before time, but this is something that I'm really passionate about, and if the good Lord says it's going to happen, I'm having faith that one day it will happen. Okay, so, you know the holidays are here. We're getting ready to experience Thanksgiving, then come Christmas. So I was deciding to have things like side dishes. You know, everybody for the same holidays, we do the same things. How about we twist it up a bit? You know your girl always thinking outside the box. So I came up with 3 recipes that I think will be bomb for you guys doing for the holidays. Now, you don't just have to let it pertain to Thanksgiving or Christmas. It could be Easter holiday, Halloween, whatever holiday you see fit, or even for someone's birthday, right? So I have 3 dishes that I'm going to present to you guys today. And the first one will be, I'm going to make, hold on one second, guys. I've written everything down. My first one is going to be orange cranberry chicken meatballs. Yes, orange cranberry chicken meatballs. Now, the recipe is going to be as follows. You're going to get you a pound of ground beef. Then you're going to add some cranberries and orange preserve in it. And the rest of the recipe, you'll have to get in the book. Next, guys, we're going over here. We're going to be making some potato medallions, right? Now, for this recipe, you can cut up between 5 to 6 potatoes. You're going to have some olive oil, bacon bits, cheddar and Parmesan cheese, green onions, and sun-dried tomatoes. Then the last but not least recipe is going to be broccoli with cheese sauce and ranch dressing seasoning. So you're going to have your broccoli. You could get 1 to 2 bunches. And I'm going to use Lipton recipe vegetable soup mix or dip mix, right? Then we're going to have just some ranch seasoning on top, not the liquid dressing. You're going to just have the seasoning. And I have some salt-free onion and herb dash, Velveeta cheese, and cheddar shredded cheese. Guys, one good thing about these recipes, let me tell you, they're you don't have to do a lot of work, sweat and stuff like that. For the potatoes, you're going to wash them. You use small to medium potatoes. You can use between 5 to 6 according to how many people you're trying to serve. I use 6 potatoes, medium size, so that to me will serve between 4 to 5 people in my family will. But what I love about these side dishes, these holiday sides, is that you don't have to do a lot of prep work. Your green onions, you're going to just slice them, wash them, slice them. That's 1 green onion. Then your bacon bits, they're already cut in the bag. Sun-dried tomatoes, you know, I always prepare mine. I buy my own sun-dried tomatoes in the either in the plastic canister or I get them in a pouch. And then I just cut them up, add olive oil and garlic to them, season them up a bit. You got it. Shredded cheese, you can either get your shredded cheese, your Parmesan and cheddar cheese shredded already, or you can do it yourself. I so happen to have mine not shredded, so that won't take but a hot minute in my trusty G-Del cheese shredder. Only thing you're going to have to do is make up the meatballs for the ground chicken meatballs. I set mine out, got mine out the freezer. Then I'm going to just mix up the ingredients, and breadcrumbs go with that also. I didn't put the breadcrumbs on the table. And I didn't put the butter on the table for the broccoli. So this is all in the book. You'll see all this. But everything, the best part about this, guys, everything is going in a casserole dish in the oven. So you don't have to be over the stove. You know, you can either put your broccoli. Now, what I am going to do, because I keep it real with you guys, I'm going to put my broccoli, after I cut them up into florets real quick, I'm going to put them in a pot of boiling water. I'm going to let them boil for a good 8 to 10 minutes, not even. No, I'll say 6 to 8 minutes. Then I'm going to take them out, drain them, put them in a casserole dish, and I'm going to add my seasonings to them and the toppings that go on them. You put the cheese last for the broccoli. Well, anyway, that's what I wanted to tell you guys. Now, isn't this a nice, good idea? Everybody, you know, we always do the same sides and stuff like that. Sometimes you just want to change. Everybody don't want the same thing all the time. You know what I'm saying? So we can do different things. There's a lot of food to choose from out here. So that's something that I wanted to run by you guys. I hope you like this. I will show you the pictures after the finished product. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining me, guys. Think about this. This is something new. This is something real. This is something good. Okay, bye. These are going in the oven. They have olive oil on top of them, the seasoning, which is the onion herb blend. Then after that, when they go in the oven for 15 minutes, then I'm going to take them out. I'm going to put some cheese layer on top. Then we're going to do the bacon bits, and we're going to put them back in the oven for a good 10 minutes. So now, guys, here's dish number 2. We have the potatoes still in the oven baking, right? I have the foil on them for the first 20 minutes. Then I'm going to take the foil off. Then I'm going to let them do like 10-minute cooking. And then if they're soft enough, I'll put the bacon bits, shred up the cheese on top, and the green onions. This is the broccoli with the ranch dressing, seasoning, a little olive oil, and other things that you will have to buy the bulk site. Okay, guys. All right, so this is going to pop in the oven, 350 degrees for a good 15 minutes to 20 minutes. All right, bye, guys. Okay, guys, so doing my sides, you know, you realize things as you get going, right? I realized that the chicken meat is extra sticky. And then when you add like the ginger and the different seasonings that you add, and there's not an egg in this. So I just use breadcrumbs, seasoned breadcrumbs. So real quick, I noticed that it's very sticky, and it's I didn't want to put it in the casserole dish like that, so I'm keeping it real with you guys 100. So I just put a little water in here and I let it go like that. So these are ready for me to put in a casserole dish, and then I'm going to add the sauce to them, which is the cranberries and the orange preserve. Okay? So I just wanted to let you know, I said we wouldn't have to use the stove too much, but you just use the top part of the stove, which you did the meatballs, the chicken meatballs in a skillet with like a half a cup of water. And then with the broccoli, we blanched those in a sense. Well, we let them boil for like 7 minutes, not even. So you did have to use the top of the stove for some, but still you're doing a good thing, and it's going to be quick, fast, and then a hurry in the oven. All right. So guys, another thing I had to let you know and be honest about, I thought I was going to get a good, I don't know why I thought I was going to get more meatballs than that. But I mean, it filled this little pan. But I got 21 meatballs, just to let you know, out of that pound of ground chicken. And I also added the breadcrumbs and the seasoning. So I got 21 meatballs. But this is the size that I wanted. So just to let you know, 21 will come out of that. So I have my cranberries that were soaked in water. I have them in a pan with it. Then I'm going to put the orange sauce on it with a little soy sauce and ginger. This type of cheese, I'm just going to crumble it. Because I'll use half of the cheese. When it's this texture, I will lose half of it just trying to put it inside the G-Del. So I'm not going to do that. So this cheese, guys, let me tell you something. It's so freaking good. You can use regular Parmesan, whatever cheese you have on hand, white cheese. But this is a cheddar Parmesan cheese. Let me show it to you. Cheddar Parmesan, and oh my goodness, it is the bomb. I'm telling you. So this is like, okay, guys, I also want to explain to you, the potatoes have been in the oven. I did it on 20-minute intervals. So this is my second time taking them out the oven, so I didn't judge that. And I cut them like in medallions, not too thick, like a half an inch thick. So I'm going to put them back in again. I just put my timer on 20 more minutes. And I had the foil on them the first 20 minutes, then I took it off. Now I'm going to put the foil back on again. Okay, guys, so this is the broccoli with the cheese, Velveeta cheese, and then we have cheddar cheese. Oh my goodness, do that look good? Can you imagine serving that to your friends in your company? Oh my goodness. Velveeta cheese on top, regular shredded cheddar cheese, and we have some sun-dried tomatoes on that as well, and the ranch seasoning on top. Now over here, I have my potatoes out the oven again. I'm going to add green onions. Okay, so now I'm going to add my bacon bits. Oh, that package came out. That's okay. So we didn't put a lot of the ranch seasoning on it because we didn't want it salty. So this is the potatoes with the sun-dried tomatoes, the green onions, and the bacon bits. So we're going to put this back in again for a couple of minutes because I took it out earlier from the last 20 minutes I told you about because I wanted to add the onions, the green onions, and the bacon bits. So now I'm going to put the foil back on it, put it in a 350-degree oven. Okay, now this is going back in the oven for the last time. I just added the Parmesan white cheddar cheese. So this is going in the oven. And then I'm going to show you the meatballs. Here are the potatoes and bacon, the medallions with the green onions, the cheddar and Parmesan cheese, the bacon, and chives on top. So guys, this is how they came out. This is the orange cranberry chicken meatballs. Oh my God, when you see the cranberries in the nooks and crannies, look at that. Oh yes, that is delicious. And the sauce is dynamite. It's a little chili sauce, a little orange marmalade, soy sauce, little brown sugar, and voila. Thank you guys for joining me. These are just sides that you can make for any holiday. Try some of them out and let me know how you like them. God bless you. Happy holidays.
Hello guys, thank you for coming. God bless.